Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. On tonight's video, I wanted to talk to you guys about the reason why you don't have a man. Do you think it's because of your natural hair? Let me know, let me know, let me know. And that's what we're going to talk about in this video. So guys, I was thinking and I was wondering, do men find you more attractive with your hair straight? Do they find you more attractive with your hair kinky? Do you think that if you're single, the reason why you're single is because of your hair? I know a lot of women believe that if their hair is not done, straight, wigs, weaves, they believe they can't get a man unless they have a certain look. Now me, I'm not even on a hunt for a man. I have not been on a hunt for a man for the last few years. No, I am not gay, so if you all want to know that, no. It's just that I'm not in that mindset. And I've been like that ever since my mom died. It's like, forget the whole world. My mama died. I don't care. But I need to get out that mode because if I don't stop it, I'll probably end up by myself, which wouldn't bother me either way because I'm always by myself anyway. But I was just wondering because a lot of times my hair don't be done. And people be saying, how come your hair ain't done? Why don't you do something with your hair? And I'm like, why don't you do something with my hair? Girl, that's a lot of hair. Well, yeah, it's a lot of hair, but you want me to do something with it, so why don't you do something with it? And, you don't want to unask no money to do my hair. You just want to give me suggestions, but you ain't help me with this hair. Because to me, I can get a man. I can look like a ragamuffin and still get a man. Now, when my hair is in this kinky state and it's looking like, like real woofy and stuff, I attract older men, like 60s. Yeah. And when my hair is straight, or if it's big and wild, I will attract middle-aged men, and sometimes if my hair is down, I'll attract younger men, like 20-year-olds. But I don't know, I'm not in the mood to be. My dog is really eating while I'm making this video. I'm not really in the mood to date, so I don't look like I want to date. I don't look like, hey, come and holler at me, I'm available. I look like, don't say that to me, she's not available, something ain't right. And men will come to you according to how they feel, the kind of vibe that you are presenting. And then a lot of times they say that you are what you get. So if you are a certain kind of way, you attract that certain kind of way of a man. And I don't know how true that is, but I know one thing. I'm always attracting these little short men, honey. That I get me some short. I'm like, would you please stop being this short? I'm 5'7.5", and I'm a big girl. So it seems like the older I get, the shorter they get. But yeah, let me tell y'all something. Now this is crazy, but I noticed throughout my lifetime when I was on a dating scene, when I would just be messing around and playing around and sexing, I'm just going to say it, sexing, I'm always getting these tall guys with these nice shoulders and stuff like that. But when I get like a boyfriend, they be short. They either be like a little bit taller than me, or some of them was like my height. And if I put my heels on, I look way taller than them. It look real crazy. But for me, it's not hard for me to attract a man. It's not hard for me to get a boyfriend or a man in my life. I'm just not on that type of scene right now because I don't present myself that way. But I was just wondering, is it really hard to get a guy with your hair in its kinky state? For me, I'm fly enough to get him either way. My hair can be kinky or it can be straight. Now, the straighter my hair is or the more style my hair is, I really attract men. And guys, let me tell you, I was on my way to the Bruce comedy show last night. I posted a picture of me and Bruce on my community tab. So you guys, if you want to keep up with me, I'll put little things on there sometimes. And I walked inside the gas station, and it was this big tall guy. I mean, he could not keep his eyes off me. I had my hair wrap on, but it wasn't styled like this. It was styled differently. And had on a little bit of makeup, and he didn't see my hair at all. And he just couldn't stop looking at me. I'm like, what is he looking at? Because, like I said, I don't really look cute like I used to. I used to be fly. I used to be a fly girl. And, like, when I go somewhere now, I put my makeup on. I'm like, what are you looking at? Because I'm not used to it no more. And I said, oh, I still got it, girl. You still got it. Now, that made me feel good because I'm not used to that attention anymore. And it reminded me, like, you know what? Why don't you start, going out more, putting your heels on and looking cute? Maybe you will get a good man. But you know what, though? I'm telling you right now, I'm not really in that mindset for no boo. And I think this was really has stopped me from dating. I don't feel like all that rah rah rah. What is rah rah rah? I don't know. Men like to play mind games, and I don't be feeling like that. So I just been rolling single. I ain't been messing with nobody. I just been with my O'Shea Whitey. Come here, girl. Say hi. Come on. Come up here. Come on. Up. This is who I be rolling with. My little doggy. You can't see her. There she is. Say hi, Shay. Up here. This is who I've been rolling with. Ever since my mom died, this is who I've been rolling with. Now, I have been playing around, dibbling, dabbling throughout the years a little bit, but nothing serious. Nothing I want to say, hey, I want you to be my man. Why don't you be my man? No. All right, so I'm just wondering, because people be like, girl, if you don't do your hair, why you look like that? You ain't gonna get no man. Are you kidding me? I'm fly, baby. So anyway, tell me something. Are you guys single? Do you think that if your hair is not done, you can't get a man? I don't know. But you guys like my makeup tonight. I went to MAC. I made an appointment because they had a pretty little shiny thing event today. Of course, they want you to come in so you can buy some makeup. And I ended up buying some makeup. And look at this pretty little shiny bag. So the makeup artist who put my makeup on today, when I went to MAC, I had on my base, like my foundation and powder. I didn't have on any concealer. Just had my eyebrows and a little bit of mascara. And I had on a little bit of blush. But he hooked me up with this highlighter. Now, I don't need no more highlighters because I got like 15 of them already, which is real crazy. And I'm going to stop watching these beauty influencers because they influence me to buy stuff. And other times, I just want to buy stuff on my own. And I know I'm shining even more now because I'm hot and sweaty. But he put this little shiny stuff here and on my eyes to give me little lips and stuff like that. And I'm going to make this real quick. Did he give me my... I was going to say, he better have given me my... All right. So I did buy 2 shiny little things. Do I need to... Hold on, guys. I need to turn on my fan. Okay, guys. I'm really shining from sweating. But I ended up buying this shiny little thing. This is so cute. I'm more attracted to palettes. Like, you know, like this. Because I like to figure out what am I going to put on. And I just like to dibble and dabble with certain little things. I got a whole lot of palettes. Got this here. And I mean, I got all this makeup I don't really wear because I have been just in a little mode to where I don't feel like being pretty. I don't want you looking at me. But I've been feeling good this last few years because I'm not depressed. I'm just stuck in a rut a little bit, but I've been coming out my little shell. So I ended up buying this, and I have this on my eye. So let's take this out. What is this called? This is called Shiny Pretty Shadow. I don't know the color because I can't see. We're going to take this out this little package. Damn. And guys, when I thought about it, my highlighter looks sort of like my eyeshadow. I could have just went on and just bought the highlighter and then bought a shadow. But, you know, I got caught up in the MAC fever. So that's what the case looks like. And it's silver. Come on. Guys, look at that color. Look at this color here. This is so pretty. So this is what's on my eyes. It's like a rose gold, champagne gold thing. So I mean, and it feels so good, guys. Let me put it on my arm, my hand right here. That's what it looks like. It's like a, whoa, it's so pretty. It's like a rosy pink, shiny thing. Now, this is gonna let me know if I should take this back and just rock with the highlighter because they look just alike. So here goes the highlighter. This is the same little thing here. This is gonna let me know. This is more, yes, it's got pink in. It's like a pink shift with gold in it, just like my highlighter. So here goes the highlighter case. That is so pretty. And that's what it looks like on the inside here. It's gold with a pink ship. Did I need this? No. So it's got like stars on the inside because it represents shininess. So let me do it feels like it's kind of wet. Guys, this looks just alike. This looks just alike. Can you see? Closer. This is the same thing twice. So I paid, let's see, according to my receipt, I paid $21 for the eyeshadow and $35 for the highlighter. And really, guys, what I can do is take the highlighter back and keep the eyeshadow and use it as a highlighter. Because that's the highlighter is $35 and the eyeshadow is $21. I mean, these are identical. That's what I'm going to do. So I can keep this one and use it as a highlighter and an eyeshadow. I think they slick. I was just trying to see. Only thing different is this has more glitter in it. This has more glitter than the highlighter. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna, I don't know. I might just keep them both. All depends on how I feel. So anyway, guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you like it. I wasn't really talking about much, but let me know. Do you think hair has a big impact on men trying to get with you or make, you know, or you be in more relationships and stuff like that? Some men don't care. So I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looks like under this head wrap, because I'm supposed to be doing my hair this weekend. I have not done it. That man contoured my nose so well. He said, I am going to snatch your nose to the gods, baby. Ooh, can't wait to take this off. Ooh. Alright, so this is what my hair looks like without the head wrap. And I really need to do something with my hair. So can I get a man looking like this? Of course I can, because men will holler at you no matter what. And sometimes when I look like this, it be the wrong men trying to holler at me. Hey baby. I'm like, whoa, what am I doing? So am I to the point where I'm attracting men who ain't got no teeth? Jesus, where your teeth at? Where your teeth? So look, that's the good thing about having a head wrap in your collection of artillery to stay beautiful. Alright guys, that is it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!